Hey, what's up everyone? So this video is gonna be pretty short. I'm just gonna show you what is inside of the frunk of Alfa Romeo 4C. Right now I already took off the wheels because it's necessary in order to access to one screw that is in here. And basically what you do is you come over here and it's over here on the top. You see this one, you gotta take it off, unscrew it, and when you unscrew it you can access to another bolt that is there, so you can take it off. Okay, so here is where I was talking about it. There is a 40mm screw that you take it off, then that one you do it with a Phillips, so it's pretty easy to do it, and the other one 40mm. So you take those off, and then you will take off 4 of these little babies. These ones are going over here. Let me see if I can, yeah, here, and then the other one is over there. The other two are there and all the way to the corner. So you take off those 4, then you gotta put the wiper like this, and let's move forward. After you're done with all the screws, you gotta come over here and take off this seal that it's on the wiper. So to take it off, it's pretty easy. Let me see if I can focus very well. Okay, so it's there. See, I don't know if because my car is old, it's easy to take off, so I just do this, and now I pull it. So looks like don't wanna come out with one hand. Let me try with both. Pause the video. Finally I took it off. It's here, see? So basically just pump up the hoop and the front, and that will be it. Like you see, it's all done. So I just gotta be careful. I take it out and I show you what is inside. So I have it almost out, but make sure you put towels over here, that way you don't scratch your paint, because when you are moving it you are kind of like rubbing the paint, you see, just in case. So I forgot to tell you that you gotta take out that. If you take that out, it's gotta be much easy. Let me take out this. Taking out is pretty easy. You just press this and pull out, and that is. So now it's out. And one more thing that I forgot to tell you, sorry about that. It's first time taking it off. So you gotta unplug this. This is the hose for the windshield, for the water for the windshields. And this is how it looks here. If everyone thought this is a compartment that you can save or storage whatever, no, this is the radiator and some other fluids over here, so like washer fluid and other things over here. So yeah, this is how it looks. To put it back is the same way. I gotta go over this and just place it. I'm gonna keep the towel just in case I don't want to scratch my paint. And this is how it looks in here. I hope this can help you. So here's the hood. You see, it has these 2 pins. They are hole somewhere here. See? So yeah, that's why you push it that way. And here's the hose that you gotta take off. It's in the driver's side. You just unplug from here and you're good to go. You don't have to unplug anything else. So that's how it looks like. Let's put it back. Okay, now it's back where it should be. I'm gonna plug the hose. You see it right there, and have it right there. So let me plug it. So here's one more thing before I finish the video. I want to show you why I took off the wheels, because you see I might be ruined right there. Yeah, so let me focus a little better. So it should be over here. So you see my finger there. Okay, so, and that's because right now the car is lifted. If I don't lift the car, I will have a half of that. So yeah, probably you don't have to take off the wheels if you don't want to. Like if you feel that you have enough room, you can do it, but definitely you will have to lift the car, at least that. If you lift the car, you have a few inches more to work, but if you don't, then it's gonna be really hard. It will be almost impossible. To finish the video, here is how it looks the car when it's not lifted. You see half of what I did have before. So yeah, you decide.